Okay, here we go. I feel this needs to be pulled out a little bit. Seems to be creating a bit of a strange artifact there. So, in fact, if we just highlight them, GG, tidy this up a little bit for a change, we're tidying up. Still there though, oh that's why. Could we get away with sliding that one down also? Just to make that more of a square as opposed to a triangle with a extra vert on one of the edges. Oh, come on. I feel like I need to pull these out a little bit also. Oh, that Alt X. Sliding these out just to make it look prettier. Prettier. Right, let's add a. How about we add, add a bit of a curve under here. So we'll go highlight that one to that middle one there, then do a extrude X and just that one. I'll just do a GG, slide it back a little bit. You'll see why in a second. Highlight the middle one to that one, extrude Y, and GG on that one. In fact, I'll just move that edge back a little bit. There we go. Highlight that too. Press F for face or fill, and we need to remove that creased edge. So put that crease back down to 0. I think this might be a lot nicer looking. Yeah. Tell you what we could also do. Oops. Be careful when you select that there, because mine's just happened to do the whole thing. So you just want to Alt left click on the bottom edge. If you just pull that down a little bit, create a nicer curve to it. Okay, right, so how about doing this bumper now, eh? Let's have a quick spy at this. Alright, we could do with an edge created from somewhere, so how about we just grab this bottom edge, duplicate it and separate it, of course. Then you could extrude it out, pull it down, etc. Right, sounds like a plan. Alright, so do we want that one or should we get the one above? No, we'll get that one. Right, Shift D, enter, P to separate selection, or by selection, and highlight the front end again, and we call this one, we've already got a bumper, so we call it bumper front. Bumper, it's not French, if that's even a word. Oh, good French accent though. Let's not do accents, remember. Right, if we just drop a 1 back on there as well, though, to take that corner up. That one there even. And there we go. Faffen again. Oh, come on, bummer front. Right. So, don't need all these extra edges again, so, or verts even. Highlight them and do a control. Ooh, did it work? Control X? Yes. We'll leave them ones in for that curve. Don't need that one. Control X. Right, so let's see if we highlight these ones, extrude these forward, extrude Y. See if we get a better look from the side now. Oh, it doesn't go that far really, does it? Don't know why it was going to look different on the other side. Right, so let's go to 3. No, there will do. That does need extended back, but we'll just do this a little bit first. It would be good if we could get it to go round the corner. So that one, highlight that one, extrude X. And go to the front. We know it needs to go past that front edge there. 7. Let's just check that again. Hopefully these are updating as I scroll up. Yeah, I would say it's the very outside. Wow, that seems to be huge, though, doesn't it? Tell you what, let's do a extrude and just pull that back to here also. This will give us a better idea. Right, so now I highlight these 2, 3, 4, F. May just want to pull these around a bit, give it a nicer curve. Make that a nicer edge as well. Go. Highlight that outer edge. Maybe an idea also to highlight that back one there also. How far do we need to go down? Let's see. Oh, that's not going to help because that other one doesn't have a bumper on it. So, just guys again, extrude Z. Looking at the image, and it looks like it goes past here. Out of edit mode, this shade smooth. If we could highlight them, Alt Z for X-ray, we just drop a crease on there. Ooh, about there. I'm actually asking you as I look at the image, so that's not going to help, is it? Right. You know, that might actually come down on a line with the bottom of that wheel arch. That would make sense, wouldn't it? Three. Oh, quite a way to go. A little bit there. Okay. And then let's see, slightly from the side, that does actually go straight down with the back raised, so that probably has to go forward. Now we'll just leave it straight. And then once we're happy with this, we shall create the indents, and that what looks like a join there between this back part and the front part of the bumper. Of course, that darkening there is auto smooth. There we go. Right, let's do a quick save there again. That's, believe it or not, been 10 minutes already. And then we'll cut these bits in a second. Okay, back in a sec. Don't forget to save, Control S. Not be long.